court, please, my lord. Two witnesses stood down.
Yes, yes.
Can we start with Captain Nailana, given his health condition?
Yeah, quite. Yes, Mr. Ramsey.
My lord, I'm eternally indebted to the court for the time, my lord. I just want to confirm, my lord, that Captain Nailana may be excused. I don't have any questions for him.
Okay. But you've got a strong witch doctor.
Okay, my lord.
Thank you. You're excused.
We'll then continue with the cross-examination of Sergeant Marshall.
Yes, Mr. Ramsey.
As the court pleases, my lord.
Confirm that she's still under oath.
Good day, Sergeant Marshall.
Okay, my lord.
Good day, my lord.
Now, let's just start with the background of how you got involved to take the buccal swab from accused number 2.
Arsimolle ka gore go tlile yang o tlo feletsa stele gore o tsa di sample tsele tsa molatofatso wa bobedi.
You stated that at the time of this incident on the 16th of June 2020, were you at the cells in Pretoria North, SAPS, or were you based there per your employment as at the SAPS in Pretoria North?
We ka di 16 tsa June ha ne go tlo kopiwa gore o tse di sample tsele o no le go di selling kapa o no beilwe mo ko Pretoria North go ya ka mmereko wa gago.
Ka di 16 tsa June 2020, ne ke le on duty ko Pretoria North as detective. Ke bereka di sele le di docket tse di tswang ka mo charge office ke re based mo Pretoria.
On the 16th of June, I was on duty at Pretoria North, and I was based at the cells and also receiving dockets that were coming in, and I was based in Pretoria North. Nge 16 zika June ngalesikhathi uZebo uzocelwa ukuthi uzothatha la masample womsolwa wawukade usemsebenzini emaselini noma wawukade kwenza kanjani uthi ngangikade ngilapho Pretoria North la ukuthi ngangikade ngisebenza umsebenzi wami njengobu detective futhi ngiyamkela nama docket amasha abekade efika.
And then at some stage you were approached by an officer who introduced himself as Sergeant Mohane, and he requested your assistance regarding the taking or obtaining of a buccal swab from a suspect, correct?
Juana le nako mo eleng gore o gotla Sergeant Mohane a tlo go kopa gore o mo thuse ka go tsa di sample tse rileng go molatofatso wa o rile. That is correct, he asked me. Bese kuba nesikhathi la uye wacelwa uSergeant Mohane ukuthi uzothatha ama sample thizeni kumsolwa othize uthi yebo iqiniso.
And what was the case reference number that he gave you in respect for which the buccal swab were required?
We la go naya case reference number efeng e leng gore no tlo bereka mo go yona mo go di sample tseo.
E ampileng yone umphile case number e ke ngwadile mo ya Phosphorus SAPS reference number 636 of 10/2014.
The case reference number that he gave me, it was the Phosphorus 636 10/2014.
Now, by way
Uthi-ke
of sorry.
manje ke uye wangnika yipi I case reference number uthi wangnika le eye Phosphorus 636 10/2014.
Now, just by way of background in terms of what Sergeant Mohale testified about in this court, and you may comment if you know, if you don't know, you can just say you cannot comment. Sergeant Mohale testified that on the 16th of June 2020, him and together with Sergeant Mabena arrested accused number two in phase 2 Rustenburg. And that accused number 2 was then transported from there. First, they had to go and drop off the escort at Phokeng SAPS that escorted them to the place of accused number 2. Then from there, they drove to Pretoria, specifically to Pretoria North SAPS, where accused number 2 was booked in and detained.
Sergeant Mohane yena o ile a re o ile ba ile ba tshwara molatofatswa ko phase 2 ko Phokeng e be le gore bona ba ilo sia bane ba ba thusa ba ba latella morago ba ile ba ba sia teng fo ko Rustenburg ka morago fo e be le gore bone ba tla ba ya Pretoria North ko sepodiseng sa Pretoria North ke mo molatofatswa a ileng a tswallwa teng ga ile gore wa itse o ka tshwaela ga o sa itse o ka nna wa
ga ke itse
buella kodimo
a ke itse a ke a mmotsisa gore o tswa kae ba ya kae ba dirang ga ke a botsisa di questions tse.
I do not know. I did not ask him where were they coming from and where were they going to. I did not ask him such questions. Uma ngabe uyazi ungaphawula uma ungazi uzosho nakhona ngoba uSergeant Mohane yena uye wathi babophe umsolwa ePhokeng phase 2 mabaqeda bathatha ke bashiya amaphoyisa lawayana la bekade behamba nabo babashiya Rustenburg bese bayeza bona ke beza ePretoria North. Uma ngabe uyazi ungasho uthi yena akazi futhi azange abuze leyo mibuzo akazange futhi afune nokwazi ukuthi kwakuyiwaphi ngemva kwalokho.
Importantly, Sergeant Mohane testified that he arrested accused number 2 on the 16th of June 2020 in respect of a Nongoma CAS 163 of 10/2018 and not this Phosphorus CAS 636 of 10/2014.
May you please repeat the Nongoma CAS?
CAS number 163
Thank you.
of 10/2018.
O re ge ntho e botlhokwa ke gore Sergeant Mohane yena o ile a re gane a tshwara molatofatswa o ne a mo tshwarela molato wa 163 10 20 20 2018 e leng gore ke molato wa ko Nongoma ga ka a bua ka gore ona mo tshwarela molato wa 636 ga a bua sepe ka
ha bua sepe ka yone mo go nna ke kopile fela gore bukhale ke itse for which station ampha information ya case ya Phosphorus fela.
No, he did not make mention of that particular case number of Nongoma. All I asked when I asked him which case am I taking the bucals for, he gave me the 63610 of 2014 for Phosphorus. Manje Sergeant Mohane yena uye wathi la enkantolo wayekade ebopha umangalelwa ngecala la kwaNongoma u163 10 ya 2018 akazange akhulume ngecala leli Phosphorus. Uthi ufakazi mina akazange angitshele ngecala la kwaNongoma ungitshele ngecala le636 leli la Phosphorus.
And importantly, supporting documentation was also produced in the form of occurrence books, in particular the one for Pretoria North, I believe is Exhibit NN, which shows that accused number 2 was indeed booked under 163 Nongoma murder case 163 of 10/2018 in Pretoria North, and he was not booked under Phosphorus 63610 of 2014.
Gape ge ntwe mo e botlhokwa ke gore ile ya kwalwa le fo dibukeng tsa sepodisa sa Pretoria e leng tsona di OB mo e leng gore ne gathilwe molatofatswa yena o bukhelwa molato wa 163 10 2018 iseng ole wa Phosphorus.
Yona ke na information ya yone se ke se buang fela gore ke kopile ha ke tlatsa this form ke for case number and the station ke tsa mphileng tsone ka another case a ke na information ya yo.
I do not have information with regards to that other case. When I asked him for information, I completed this document using the information that he provided, which was that one of Phosphorus, my lord. uthi ke enye into esemqoka ukuthi ummangalelwa kwincwadi zasesiphoyiseni sasePretoria North kubhaliwe ukuthi ummangalelwa yena wayekade evalelwa ngenxa yecala lakwaNongoma. Uma ephendula ufakazi uthi mina into ebalekile engiyibhalile yile ebekade engazisa yona uma engitshela ukuthi ngangikade ngivalelwa ngangikade ngisiza ngokuthi umuntu wayekade evalelwe kuleli cala lase Vosloorus. Le yakwaNongoma angizange ngitshelwe ngayo.
Now, importantly for that, because he stated categorically on 2 occasions in this court, in the main trial, in the trial within a trial, that on the 16th, I did not arrest Ntanzi, accused number 2, over 636 Vosloorus case 63610 of 2014. I was investigating the Nongoma case 163 of 10. The point really is this, sorry, Mr. Interpreter.
Yes.
The point really is this. I would have expected to see a buccal swap for Nongoma case 163 10 2018 rather than this buccal swap, because the investigations on the day related to Nongoma.
Ar gape so se seng se se botlhokwa ke gore o ile a bua gape le yena Sergeant Mogane a rona sa tshware le molatofatso wa molato o wa 636 o rile o na mo tshwarela molato le wa Nongoma wa 163 e leng gore yena ramolao o re o ne a lebelletse gore gongwe di swapo tse leng gore o tlile go bona di swapo tsa molato o le wa 163 ya go ga Nongoma e seng tse tsa Vosloorus.
Nna ne ke kwala se ampotsang sone. Vosloorus SAPS reference 636 of 10 2014 ke filwe ke ene Sergeant Mogane as ne ke mo thusa go tsaya buccal.
My Lord, I was writing what I was being told. The case number, Vosloorus 636, I received it from Sergeant Mogane as I asked him which case reference number should I use, and he gave me the Vosloorus case reference number. Manje ke enye into esemqoka ukuthi uSergeant Mogane yena uye wathi ngangade ngingaboyipheli ummangalelwa icala leli lase Vosloorus bengimbophela icala lase lakwaNongoma, futhi ummeli uthi yena wayekade elindele ukuthi uzothola ubufakazi lobu ba lama DNA ngecala lakwaNongoma hayi icala leli lase Vosloorus. Ufakazi uma ephendula uthi yena ubhale into ebekade eyaziswa noma eyitshelwa uSergeant Mogane akazange amnike olunye ulwazi nangaleli yacala lakwaNongoma, ingakho ebhale lelicala lase Vosloorus ucase 63610 2014.
And Sergeant Mashele, you must understand this. I'm not putting any fault or any blame at your door, but this is what the investigating officer who arrested accused number 2 testified about in court as truthful about the events leading to the arrest of accused number 2 and the incarceration of accused number 2 at Pretoria North SAPS on the 16th of June 2020.
Gape ramolao a re wena o utlwisise gore ga se gore a re wena o irile diphoso o go raya fela gore bopaki bo e leng gore lepodisa le le batlisang ka molato le le la moraka bona gore yena o ne a mo bolelletse ka molato le wa gore molatofatso o na tshwarelwa molato le wa go ga Nongoma, ga se gore a re wena o irile diphoso o feletsa sele gore o kwala dilo tse seng tsona.
Okay.
That is understood. Manje uzwisise ke ukuthi mina ngingumeli kammangalelo wesibini angisho ukuthi wena wenze amaphutha ngokubhala leli cala le 636. Mina sengisho ukuthi iphoyisa leliyane liphenya ngaleli cala libhale lithe umsolo bekade eboshelwa icala leli 163. Akusokuthi ngithi wenze iphutha uthi uyazwisisa.
Okay. Now, let's go to this exhibit triple D in brackets 7, the one that we completed on the day. Let's start first with the ID number. Who provided that ID number to you?
Ariye mo pampiring ID number e leng nomoro e ya boikitsiso ke mang o go neileng yone?
Ke feel ke Mr. Ntanzi because ha ke tlatsa di party e ke butsisa eno tshwantse ampere o le nne sure gore ke mabitso a gagwe le ID number.
It was provided to me by Mr. Ntanzi because when I complete this part and the witness pointing at the part where it says donor, she has to ask the donor of their name and initials and their ID number. Therefore, it was provided by the donor, which is Mr. Ntanzi. Manje ke asiqale ke ngale nombolo yozaziso ubani okunike yona uthi mina nginikwe uyena umnumzana uNtanzi ngoba uma ngibhala la kubhalwe donor kwamele ngibhale isibongo salomuntu obengikade ngithatha lama samples kuyena ne nombolo yakhe yozaziso.
Okay. And once you have completed the form, it's an original, and how many duplicates does it come in?
Kamraga gore sto tladitse form e go nna le e ya originally ye be ile gore go nna le tse kae tse ding tse di sala.
Inna ke di 3
There's 3 documents.
ke original le tse 2 ka motlase.
It's a original and 2 duplicates. Thike manje ngemva kokuthi ugcwalise kunamaphepha angakhi laphayana uthi mathathu ile original nalawa amanye amabini afana nayo original.
And what happens regarding the appending of the thumbprint on the space provided there to the form?
Go iragalang ka gore go bewe monwana e leng gore go na le karolo e beilweng teng fo gore go bewe monwana.
A ke utlwe boeletsa potso?
Go iragalang ka go bewa gwa monwana jaaka go na le karolo e leng gore e beilwe gore fo tshwanetse go bewe monwana wa motho.
Where you take the thumbprint, you see next to the initials and the ID number, there's a space reserved for finger printing.
A ke re wa bona fa jaaka go na le gore tshwanetse go bewe monwana wa motho. Go iragala yang, go iragala eng mo go tsona dipampiri tseo?
Go iragalang ka monwana or di duplicate?
Yes.
Are you referring to the duplicate
Yes.
or the original one of the thumbprint?
Remember, it's in triplicate. That's a original plus the 2 duplicates.
Ore jaaka ele original le tse ding tse pedi tse tshwanang le tsona. Go iragala yang ka taba ya monwana?
O taba ya monwana re starta re baya mo e mo hodimo because a kere ka se tlhagelle ka mo e be re boa gape re tse re baya ka mo re bea le ka mo.
With regards to the thumbprint, we would put first on the top form and then again take a thumbprint and put it on the next form and do the same on the last form. Manje ke kwenzakala njani ke ngendaba yesithupha njengoba kune ndawo la kwamele kufakwe isithupha somuntu uthi soqala ke ngale ephezulu sibeke isithupha bese nakuleli linye form bese sibeka nesithupha sakhe nakuleli lokugcina siyenze kanjalo.
Now, my instructions, having shown this document to, in fact, let me pause there. Let me strike that. I'll come back to this. I know that this incident occurs on the 16th of June 2020. Do you still recall physically the person that you took that you obtained the buccal swab from?
Arwa itse gore taba e iragetse ka di 16 tsa June 2020. O santse mo gopola motho o tsereng di samples tsa gagwe mo go yena.
Hey, a ke sure gore nka mo gopola sentle because ke khale ene. Ke khale.
I am not sure if I could still recall that particular person because it has been long since I had taken the samples. Manje ngiyazi ukuthi le ndaba yenzakele nge-16 zika June 2020 labo kade uthatha lama sample ungamkhumbula noma usamkhumbula lo muntu owathatha ama sample kuyena uthi seyinesikhathi le ndaba iyenzekile anginaso isiqiniseko sokuthi ngingamkhumbula kahle lo muntu.
Okay. And in your conversation with that person that you obtained, what language were you speaking with that person? That you
Khane
obtained?
o bua le motho o jaaka o no tsa di sample tse jaaka o no buisana le yena o mmotsa dipotso o no berekisa leleme lefe puo efe
ne ke berekisa puo ya ka ha sa ntlhaloganye ke tla ke tsenya le English
puo ya go e leng efe?
Setswana.
I was using Setswana, which is my first language, and then when he did not understand me, I would then speak English. Manje, ngalesikhathi ukhuluma nalo muntu wawukade usebenzisa liphi ulimi uthi yena wayekade esebenzisa ulimi lwakhe oyikuthi kuyisitswana uma lo muntu akhuluma naye engamuzwa wayekade ke efaka isingesi.
And just on the how you went about obtaining the buccal swab, how did you do that?
O irile yang gore o tla o kry di-sample tsele tsa ka fo kgano.
ke mo kopile go di tsaya
I asked him that he should give me permission to take the buccal swabs. Wenze njani ukuthatha lama sample lawayana we-DNA uthi ngiye ngamcela ukuthi ngiwathathe ama-sample.
And thereafter?
Kamraga fo gore o mo kope.
a dumela
He agreed. Mayiqeda ukumcela kwayenzakalani uthi wavuma.
And then how did you obtain that?
Kamraga fo ebe le gore o di tsayang di-sample tseo.
ya ka ke tlhalositse ke startile ka go tsentsha ne ke setse ke tsentshitse ditlhafo ke beile sengwe le sengwe mo ke tsentseng ntho ka mo kopa gore a bule molomo o tsaya swapo ele o e tsenya ka moleganong wa e rola ka moleganong la gagwe to the right o ya ko lefteng o ntse o e rola o bokentsa.
Like I've explained, my lord, the whole process where you put on the hand gloves and a mask and all the documentations, then I would take that swab and then I rolled it in his mouth, rolling it from the right to the left and vice versa. And then that's how you take the swab. Uthi-ke wenze njani ke ngemva kokuthi somcelile ukuthi wavuma ke yena ukuthatha lawo masample uthi njengoba bese sengichazile ukuthi ngeke ngafaka ama-glove nesibonyo nawo wonke amaphepha bekade elaphayana kulayi ukuthi ngiye ngathatha ke leya sample ngayifaka kuye emlomo ngayisa phezulu naphansi kumlomo wakhe ngakwehlangothi lokudla nehlangothi lesinxele bese ke kula ngiye ngathatha lawo masample.
Now, in obtaining that swab, the swabbing within the mouth with the kit, is there a standard way of doing that test, or you do it as per your knowledge? Is there a standard way?
Go na le tsela e leng gore la ye le ire teko eo ka yona na kgotsa o ira go ya ka kitso ya gago jaaka o tsenya swap ele foganong go na le tsela e leng gore e rileng e tshwanetseng e berekisiwe kgotsa o ira ka kitso ya go
ka mokgwa ba nrutileng ka teng o tshwanetse o etse swapo ele o e role mo leganong la motho o mo tseyang o rola like to right ka mo sideng e o boe o role le ka mo.
According to the way I was taught, you would take the swab and roll it to the right on the other side and then roll it as well on the other side. Manje kunendlela na ebekiwe ukuthi kwamele uma nithatha lawo masample nisebenze kanjani noma usebenzisa ulwazi lwakho uthi ngale ndlela engifundiswe ngayo kwamele uyifake leyo sample bese uyisebenzisa uyenzela ngakwisanda sokudla bese ke nangapha uyenze nje kanjalo.
Now, I'm not sure about his rank, so I'll call him Mr. Mr. Tsiye testified he's an officer in respect to the obtaining of the swab, and he says the practice or the training is that on the left you do a 5-second swab, then you move to the right and do a 5-second swab, so that's a total of 10 seconds. Is that how you were trained?
Ramona o re ga gopole gore kana ke keng rank ya ga Retsie o tla mmitsa Retsie yena o rile ga le tsenya sample swap ele ka fogano tshwanetse le ire ka fo letlhakoreng la letsogo la moja le ire ga nako e le kanang le metsotswana e metlhano le ka fo letlhakoreng la letsogo la letshegadi nako e lekanang le metsotswana e metlhano e leng 5 seconds ka ga e feletse ira 10 seconds ke ka moggo le rutilweng ka teng
E ka nna nna yalo ka gore ha o e rabe sebaka.
It could be that, my lord, because when you rub it, you do not rub it for long. It could be those seconds.
My lord, I'm-
Unoring?
A ke sure ka di-second, but
I'm-
the way re rabang ha re rabe sebaka ke yone e ka nna tsone di-second tseo.
I am not sure with regards to the seconds. However, the way we rub it, it does not take long. It could be those seconds. Manje ke uye washo ke omunye ufakazi engasakhumbuli ukuthi yena uyini emsebenzini kodwa sibongo sakhe uTsiye ngizombiza umnumzana uTsiye la ukuthi uye wathi uma usebenzisa leya swap kwamele uyenze ngakwisandla sokudla isikhathi esingalingana nama seconds amahlanu isandla sesinqele ama seconds amahlanu makuphelele kusho ukuthi ama seconds ayishumi uthi kungaba njalo ngoba uma siyenza asithathi isikhathi anginaso isiqiniseko kahle kahle kule mizuzwana ekukhulunywa ngayo.
My lord, I beg leave to approach accused number 2.
Yes.
As it pleases my court, the court, my lord, just a small clarification. With respect to, you said that you were speaking English and your language, which is Isetswana, when you were speaking to accused number 2. It states to me that the person that obtained this document, he doesn't speak Setswana and he doesn't understand English either. But
The accused doesn't
accused, yes.
speak and understand.
yeah,
Ore molatofatswa ga ramola wa bua le ena ore motho o ne a bua le ena go lofa ga ne a tsa di-samples yena molatofatswa ga a bue Setswana gape ga se tlhaloganye le Senyesemane ga a se bue ebile ga a se utlwisise.
Nna the time ke tsaya ntho o na ntlhaloganya sentle that is why ke kwadile and hanke nna sa ntlhaloganye ke be ke batlile mongwe a ka re interpretelang so that ke a gopola the time ke tsaya no sna interpreter.
My lord,
re ke bua gore re kgone go tlhaloganya sega nna le Mr. Mtanzi.
my lord, when I took the samples from Mr. Mtanzi, I was speaking in Setswana and he could understand me very well, and I made sure that we understand each other. If he couldn't have understand me, I would have made sure that there would be an interpreter, but there was no need for an interpreter because we communicated fairly well with each other. Manje ke uthi ummeli umnumzana uNtanzi yena uthi lo muntu lo bekamthatha lama sample njengoba wayekade ekhuluma isiTswana nesingisi, yena umnumzana uNtanzi uthi wayekade engasizwisisi isiTswana ukusazi nokusizwa nesingisi ukusazi nokusizwa akasazi. Uthi ufakazi ngalesikhathi ngimthatha lama sample mina naye sasizwana kahle, ngiyenze isiqiniseko sokuthi siyezwana, kube kuye uma engabe kuye kwaba nesidingo sokuthi kube notoliki bengizoyenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ngimtholela umuntu obekade ezomtolikela, kodwa ngoba sasikade sizwana kahle akuzange kudingeke utoliki.
Just in passing, you've also stated that after completing obtaining the buccal swab, you then handed the ID kit in a sealed forensic bag, PA 4004 718 737, correct?
Ka moraga gore o tsere di sample tsele o rile o ile wa nela kit ele ene we tswalletse e leng gore nomoro tsa teng ke yona PA 400 18737 go ya.
Ho ntse yana.
That is correct. Ngemva kokuthi usoqedile ke uye washo ukuthi uye wathatha bonke ubufakazi wabuvala ngalena wabufaka kulesi sikhwama esobufakazi ekuthi inombolo yakho nabakade ku PA 400 18737 kunjalo uthi yebo.
That will be all. The rest of the questions will be directed to Sergeant Mohane. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Valoy, in the re-exam.
That you followed, have you taken buccal samples before this particular one?
Ramolao o go boditse ka tsela e leng gore megato e o e tsereng gane o tsa di sample tse e ne ile santlha o tsa di sample kgotsa o no kile wa di tsa mo nakong e fetileng?
Ne ke tle ka di tsa mo nakong e fetileng.
Yes, I have taken samples before, my lord.
More or less, how many?
O ne se e le kgetlo la bokae gongwe ga ile gore o ka gopola?
Yo. I think I can more than I can fit at 20. Ke hanti.
I have taken many samples, roughly more than 20.
Thank you, that is all.
Manje ke umnumzana Ramsipili kubuze ngendlela eyikuthi uyithathile inyathelo ozithathile ngapha ngokuthi wenze le sample wawukade uqala na ukuthatha ama samples uthi cha mhlawumbe uthathe amangaki uthi nangokho ngasakhumbuli kahle kodwa wayese eqile ku mashumi amabili.
Mr. Ramsipidi, the assertion you put to this witness on your instructions, as you say, you're saying that she and your client did not understand each other, or your client did not understand her, because I just want to get clarity there.
In essence, that's the instruction, because he says, I don't speak Tswana, therefore I don't understand it. I've got a little to none understanding of English.
I see. Just as a matter of interest, when he opened the mouth, what did you say to him to do that? Because you say you put on swabs. So he didn't understand you, maybe, when he said, open your mouth, or did you force the mouth open?
Khotla e batla go itse gore gane a bula molomo o rileng mo go yena kgotsa o ile wa tsa molomo wa gagwe wa o bula?
No, ke mo kopile gore a bule molomo ke kopa go tseya and then
I asked him to open his mouth.
And he did so.
A bula molomo. Yes, my lord.
And what about the swabs?
Di swap tsona?
di swapo.
Wa di tsenya ka fo go di tsaya ka fo gano?
Ke di tsintshitse ka e rola yalo after ka e ntsha ka continue ka go package.
My Lord, I placed the swabs in his mouth and I rolled them accordingly and then I packaged them.
He didn't push you. What are you doing in my mouth?
Ga ka a go kgarametsa a re o irang for ganula.
Nna le cooperative shana.
No, he was so cooperative. Manje ke kuze kanjani umnumzana uNtanzi ukuthi avule umlomo ngalesikhathi ukhuluma naye ngoba ukuya ngommeli uthi umnumzana uNtanzi akasizwisisi isitwana nesingesi akasazi. Wenze njani? Uthi ngiye ngamcela ukuthi avule umlomo. Wawuvula umlomo. Inkantolo iyabuza ukuthi mhlawumbe uye wamphoqa na ukuthi avule umlomo. Uthi cha angizange ngimphoqe. Uye wazivulela umlomo. Bese amaswab nawo ngawathatha ngifaka emlomo. Inkantolo iyabuza ukuthi akazange akushobe athi wenzane emlomo. Uthi cha akazange wayekade esebenzisana nami and the accused is raising his hand.
My Lord, may I-
Yes, yes, yes.